So we have the leaf ruffles in this lesson, and this is a bit interesting. It looks really good on the cakes and piped around on the edges, and see the angle is 45, and so it's the same leaf which is the piping bag cut to the shape of V on the tip. Holding it on 45, I'm just going to keep ruffling, and then you're going to have this beautiful pattern come out. Okay, so on 45, go to the right, come back to the left, and keep going to the right. But just make sure you have the intervals equally spaced as you come back. So one more row of the same leaf ruffles. Squeeze out, go to the right, come back, and use the same gap. Come back, fold in the leaf. I'm just going to scrape this out and then do another fresh row. So one last time I'm just going to do the leaf ruffles, squeeze out leaf, go to the right, come back, fold the leaf on the left side and then move to the right. Keep up with the interval. As you move to the left, just make sure you're folding the leaf. So that will be the movement. Just observe how my hand moves to the right and then back to the left. Okay, so the gap between each of the sections as you move towards the left and then moving towards the right, and that even spacing has to be taken care of. And as you do for the lesson, you will do one full row, and that you are satisfied, send it for approval, and once that is done, the approval, and then you will do 3 rows of the leaf ruffles. And with this we finish this piping practice. So see you on the other one.